Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect pages in Webflow Easy method. Open your project and go to the Pages panel to view site structure. Click the page you want a link from, add a link element, or edit a button, and choose the target page from the drop-down. Use meaningful link text to help visitors and SEO. Preview and test each link in the designer and in a published test site to confirm navigation. Open the element you want to make clickable and switch to link settings, then pick the destination page from the list. For anchors, create a section ID and link to that ID from any link element on any page using the hash symbol. Keep link names clear and consistent to help users and editors. Always test links on different screen sizes to ensure the navigation behaves as expected across devices. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like the video for more Webflow tips. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes tidy work of crumbs and dust so you can focus on building pages, and it even responds to voice commands for hands-free cleaning. It feels like a tiny intern that actually works. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use nested folders and consistent page names to organize links and avoid confusion later. If you use symbols for navbars or footers, updating the symbol updates links across all pages instantly. For anchor-based single-page navigation, ensure each section has a unique ID and the link targets include the page and hash. Regularly run a quick crawl of your published site to catch missing or broken links early.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.